Welcome to the question of the day. I am Raman, your tutor from Alberta Real Estate School. In this video, we will break down the question and I'll help you understand how to answer the question that Rika will ask you on the exam. So let's dive in.
Today's practice exam question is, James Bell is a new real estate professional with New Age Realty. He is very excited to be working on his first deal with his buyer clients, Brad and Amanda. He helps them find a house they love. Prior to the completion, the lawyer discovers that the address and legal description is of the neighboring property. What would this contract be considered? And the options are A, a void contract, B, a valid contract, C, a voidable contract, or D, an illegal contract. And the correct answer is A. So in this case, James has entered wrong information. So the address and legal description that is entered in the purchase contract is incorrect, which is of the neighboring property. So in this case, essentially, he's trying to sell the neighboring property. So the contract is invalid. So the seller who signed the contract does not have the legal ability to sell the neighbor's property. So he or she is only able to sell his own property. So in this case, it would be considered a void contract because one of the essential elements, the legal capacity to be able to sell the property, is missing. Therefore, the contract would be void and they would have to draw up a new purchase contract to proceed with the transaction. A valid contract is where all the essential elements of the contract are present. A voidable contract is something that can be challenged in the court. So for example, if you were explaining the contract to your clients and they didn't quite understand the contract, maybe they had language issues, which made it difficult for them to really grasp the meaning of the different clauses in the contract. And later, they then took the real estate professional to court. Now, court can say the contract is voidable because if they find that the clients really did not understand the contract, it can be considered void. So in that case, it's voidable because it can be challenged in the court, but at this point, it is not void. An illegal contract is something that is made for the purposes of money laundering, fraud, anything like that. So for the purposes of something illegal. So in that case, it would be considered illegal contract. So in our example here, James Bell put in the wrong information on the contract, and therefore it is considered a void contract. So that's it for today. If you would like some extra help in preparing for your Alberta real estate exam, I invite you to visit www.albertarealestateschool.com, or you can give us a call at 587-936-7779.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like some sample questions, make sure you click the link below and I will email them to you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.